Better not be a love letter. You're only 5. Whoa. It says, "Happy birthday, Kaimana," from Mia. And a lot of other stuff that Mommy will have to translate. Dun dun dun. So, Mia-chan got you the operation game. And I think there's something else in the bag. She opened it up.
Jenga.
What? Let me see. What is this, man?
Jenga.
Blockade. So another version of Jenga, but that is awesome. Team Blockade. So
Please don't fire me.
the block guard included to rebuild the tower quickly and easily, which is important.
Why do you have to
Especially if you're playing with 5-year-olds. Blockade. Enjoy the classic gameplay of everyone's favorite stacking games, now with a twist. And a lot of other things. Bonus, Team Blockade has 2 colors of blocks. So for the mommies and daddies out there, or the single mommies and daddies, there's an adult version of this game. What you do is on the blocks, you write little notes, such as take a shot of tequila, or do some other fun stuff. I'm not going to get into it because this is a 5-year-old video. However, mommy and daddies that are single, this is another fun way to go ahead and have some fun with your kids' Jenga sets or blockade sets. This looks awesome. Oops. Anyways, cool. On to the next one.
Wee-hoo, but it's water. There's a